morning. This is a special coverage of the coronavirus crisis using the combined forces of News 5 and Cignal TV's 1 News, Radio 5 and 1PH. Senate President Tito Sotto has received President Duterte's report on the country's COVID-19 situation. Sotto has yet to release further details on the delayed report. Under the newly passed Bayanihan to Heal as One Act, the chief executive is required to report to Congress every Monday on the government's efforts against the health crisis. In a text message earlier, Sotto asks the public to go easy on President Duterte as the process has just started. He adds they won't impose sanctions on the executive branch over the delayed report. Both chambers of Congress have earlier granted the chief executive additional powers to realign and reprogram around 275 billion pesos of available funds from GOCCs and government agencies to help curb the pandemic. Transportation Secretary Arthur Tugade has approved Senator Francis Tolentino's request to convert passenger ships to quarantine hospitals. In a response letter, the Secretary says that utilizing passenger ships as temporary medical facilities due to shortage is in line with the Bayanihan to Heal as One Act. Tolentino has asked Tugade to provide passenger vessels to serve as hospital ships in Luzon, Visayas, and in Mindanao. As of now, the government is still negotiating with ship owners and operators to carry out the hospital ships. President Duterte says fallen COVID-19 health workers are fortunate to have died for the country. The chief executive thanked health workers and other frontliners anew in his address to the nation late Monday. At least 12 doctors have died amid the country's fight against COVID-19. That's according to the Philippine Medical Association.
May mga doktor na, mga nurses, attendants na matay. Sila yung nasawi ang buhay para lang makatulong sa kapwa. Napakaswerte nila. Namatay sila para sa bayan. Yun ang dapat, ang rason na bakit tayo mamatay. Huwag tayong mamatay sa ibang rason na sagasaan ka lang at wala ka namang ginawa. It would be an honor to die for your country, I assure you.
Meanwhile, President Duterte assures farmers and fisherfolk that they are not left behind as the enhanced community quarantine continues to paralyze economic activity.
To our farmers and our fisherfolk, we have not forgotten you, and government is now employing quick response measures to help you during the crisis, as well as ensure food productivity, availability, and sufficiency during the period of the pandemic.
Samantala, muling iginiit ng World Health Organization na kailangang ding tutukan ang iba pang essential healthcare services sa gitna ng COVID-19 pandemic. Ayon sa WHO, hindi lang mga pasyente ng COVID-19 ang kailangang pagtuunan ng pansin. Marami rin daw kasing pasyente ng iba pang mga sakit. Idagdag pa raw dyan ang mga bagong silang na sanggol na kailangang mabigyan ng iba't ibang bakuna. Nagpaalala rin ng WHO sa local health ministries na balansehin ang pagbibigay ng prioridad sa COVID at non-COVID patients. And that's the latest on the enhanced and expanded community quarantine in Luzon. For more updates, follow News 5, the Philippine Star, and Business World Online. I'm Jess De Los Santos. We are 1 News.